Hi, I'm Antonio Mendoza and this is my bike check.
First things first, I ride a solid Fiend Sprocket 3-piece cranks, Mission pedals. One of them is pretty worn out, but seems to be holding up. Secondly, I am riding a Fiend Type B Embryo 2017 frame. I painted it from gray to blue, and it's a 27.5 short back end, just fucking nice. For the bars, I am riding BSD Raider bars. I am running Odyssey Disco Steam grips with plastic Odyssey bar ends. I am riding the Fiend top load stem and has a nice fork bolt. It's pretty sick, honestly. The front wheel, I'm running a Mission Merlot front rim or whatever hub. I don't fucking know. I'm running a stock tire that's lasted pretty long, popped once since I got the bike, which was like 3-4 months ago. Pretty sick. I have a Merit tension guard on the front, which is pretty sick, but it kind of sucks that it's laced on. And I'm running a Fiend Belmont peg, I think it is, with a plastic sleeve 4.5 inches or some shit like that. And the other side is a Seneca peg without a sleeve, which kind of sucks. For the seat, I am running a Fiend one-piece seat that came with the bike stock, but it's working out pretty decent, lasting quite a while. For my back wheel, I am running the Mission hub guard, working pretty well. It's a steel one, I think. And the back peg is same as front Fiend, like Belmont, whatever the fuck it is, with a plastic sleeve. Back wheel's a Myler rim or some shit. Hub, I don't fucking know. But yeah, runs pretty well. Same as the front tire, stock, I guess, whatever. Just fucking works. So I'm running some stock forks, but they're working pretty good.
I'm Antonio Mendoza and that was my bike check. Peace.